everyone, good morning. A warm welcome to all of you. Today is the first day for many people, so I'll be repeating all the steps what I do in my CTM session so that they should not feel left out. So today's face mask you all have received on your WhatsApp. I hope so that your mask is ready. Today we are doing a beetroot mask. It has antioxidant properties, it gives you glow, it makes your skin so much hydrating, and it gives you that immense pink glow on your face. I am taking today Kiehl's face wash. Take your face wash, apply it on your full face, rub in between your hands, and then start massaging. Guys, I have just applied my face wash and I am just rubbing it on my full face. So one more thing, guys, I am showing you a tool to do face cleansing today. I have told you in my first class, in my day one, that I'll be showing you guys few facial tools which can enhance your cleansing. This is my product. This is called Foreo, and now I'll be massaging my face with this particular product. Today I have used Kiehl's face wash. It is called Cucumber Herbal Conditioning Cleanser for all skin types, particularly dry or sensitive skin. I am doing it on my forehead as well in circular movements. If you don't have this particular tool, please use your hands. I'm not going close to my under eye area. My face wash is not giving me that much of foam, but it is a very good cleanser from the brand called Kiehl's. And along with my face wash, I'm using this product called Foreo. Okay. Now I'm taking this product on my neck as well. I'm taking again my face wash, little bit on my Foreo. You can also work this way. I'm taking care of my neck as well. And I'm done. So I've washed my face. We have done with our face wash, and now I'm using my toner. So please take out your toners. I'm using my Clinique toner again, and I'm putting my toner on my cotton pad. Just dab it onto your skin. Don't rub, just dab. Keep smiling. Don't forget your neck. Apply your toner, your moisturizer, your face wash, always on your neck as well, along with your face. Now leave it for good 1 or 2 minutes. Get ready with your face packs. Whosoever is ready, start applying the face pack. I'm applying it with the help of a brush. You can apply it with your fingers. Yeah, tell me.
ये अगर थोड़ा thick लग रहा है तो इसमें rose water डाल सकते हैं?
Yes, Nilisha, you can add rose water. Add कर सकते हैं. Always apply your face mask in upward movements like this. Guys, can you open your camera and please put your mics on mute? Let me see your face pack and let me see the way you guys are applying it. Don't forget to apply it on your neck as well. In upward movements, see my movements please. Don't forget your neckline. I hope so all of you have completed your face pack. Okay, so I guess I'm done. Nikki, show me your face pack. Can you come closer to your camera? Yes, fine. Have you applied on your upper lips? Yes, you have. Okay. Okay, so Nilisha is taking her selfie. Nilisha, you want to scare someone? Quincy, show me your face pack, dear. आगे आओ प्लीज थोड़ा सा कैमरा के पास. And one more thing, I hope so everyone of you are having eye creams at your home. रेखा जी आपके पास है?
हाँ मेरे पास है.
और किस किस के पास नहीं है? क्यों नहीं है guys?
I forgot in India.
भाविका, order it right now. दुबई में deliveries on है. मैं आज जो यूज करने वाली हूँ वो कील्स की है. आप ये यूज कर सकते हो. आप मिलैग्रो का एक अंडर आई का ऑयल आता है रोल ऑन का, वो यूज कर सकते हो. You can also use YBP under eye oil, argan oil.
Moms and Co का रखा है under eye roll on, वो यूज कर लूं?
Sure, why not?
This is good now for under eye.
Let me just see. Yes, it's good. I haven't used it, but I've heard about this product. It's good. Yes, Shalini asked me.
Yeah, I'm using this Shika for under eye Milagro.
Milagro, yeah, it's good. It's very good. मेरा pack dry हो रहा है and it is giving me that stretch. So guys, I'm going to remove my mask. Please, I would suggest you all to go and wash it off. I also use these kind of face sponges to remove my pack. I guess Nilisha, you are having the same sponge. Show it to me. Show it to me, baby. Wow. So we both are twinning, huh? Nice. You can flip it around and then again clean your face. These face sponges are really nice. I really like them. I'm liking the result of this face pack. Can you see my skin? Look at this. I haven't done anything. मतलब I'm just loving it, yeah. Thanks to all of you. आप लोगों के साथ साथ मेरी भी skin अच्छी हो जाएगी. Because trust me, I don't get time and I think so that you all will say no, we don't trust you. But yes, I am lazy for myself. I don't take care of my skin that well. But
you have a fab skin.
But I'm loving this glow. Look at my nose. Look at my cheeks. Okay, one by one. Unmute your mic and then talk to me.
I'm saying the result of the pack is amazing.
Yes, it's really good.
Really good.
Very good.
Nice.
Very good. So, okay, can we proceed further?
Now I'm feeling that my tanning is also removed.
Show me your skin. Come closer to the... Yes. Wow. Your skin is also looking very nice, huh, Nikki? Amazing. Good. Good.
I can feel that, you know.
But today, you know what, Nikki? I am feeling that, you know, my skin is glowing. My skin is glowing a lot. And I am very happy.
Same here. Very sweet cheeks. Soft and sweet.
Yes. Okay, now let's start with our under eye cream, please.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can we use the remaining pack at night?
Yes, why not? You can.
I don't have under eye cream right now. I have never used an under eye cream, so abhi I don't have it.
Okay, it's okay. It's okay. No worries. Then watch us.
Okay.
ये अंडर आई क्रीम नहीं है तो एसेंशियल ऑयल लगा लूं.
Please laga lo. My cream, which is from Kiehl's, okay, I've taken it out and then I've applied it on my ring finger because ring finger always have lightest pressure, okay? And then I'm just dabbing the product. Please pay attention on my movements. Never ever forget your under eye area. I know many people are in their 20s, 25, but still I would suggest you guys never ever forget it. Skin is deteriorating every day. Every day it's deteriorating. And there is one more thing. आप लोग हमेशा celebrities को देखते हो कि उनकी skin इतनी अच्छी है. Deepika's skin is so good. You know, they take care of their skin so well. They eat healthy, they drink healthy, and they apply so much natural things on their face that you guys don't know. Please take care of your skin very well. And when I'm not there in front of you, please don't forget to do your cleansing, toning, and moisturizing. Is that okay? Because you all know that we should do it twice a day. One session you are doing it with me, and one you have to do alone at your home. Okay? But please don't forget. Is that okay? This is again from a brand called Foreo, and this is for my eyes. I'm just turning it on. Can you see how it is moving? And it's very good for fine lines, for wrinkles. I'm just working on my under eye area first. It's fabulous product. You can increase the density. And now I'm just working here on my lid area. It's completely optional. If you don't want to do it, please don't buy it. But I want to show it to you, so I thought, let me just do it, you know, this practice with you guys, and it's done. So I'm using my Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizer today. This is the quantity what I'm using. Please don't take too much quantity. This much quantity is more than enough. Apply it on your face. Then just warm the product in your hands and start dabbing. Or you can say start patting. Always use upward movements and then come down. Use upward movements. And then I'm taking a little bit of more moisturizer, just this much, for my neck. Never ever forget your neck, back of your neckline. It's very important. So I'm done. If you want to ask me something, guys, unmute your mic one by one and then ask me.
I was wondering, do you have any saloon in Paschim Vihar or Punjabi Bagh?
No.
Okay, I am from West Delhi too.
No. Hi.
I'm just asking कि almond oil apply कर सकते हैं under eyes?
Yes, you can, darling. आप almond oil भी apply कर सकते हो अपने under eye area पे. Okay, guys, bye. Today's session is over. I hope so. You all must have liked it. I enjoyed it. And thank you, Nikki, for tagging me in your stories. I loved it. Thank you so much. And thanks to Nilisha also. Nilisha, you are recommending to so many girls. I've kept your secret gift with me. And whenever I'm coming that side, do collect it from me, okay? Don't forget.
It's my pleasure to attend this class.
Good, good.
I look forward every day. I have to be ready by 11.
Yeah, good. That's nice. Also, girls, those who are watching this video and they have not entered in my CTM Skin Challenge, you can WhatsApp us or you can email us. Our email address is admin@beautystation.in. Those who have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and do press the bell icon so that you can be notified whenever my videos are up. आई होप आज का सेशन आप सबको बहुत पसंद आया होगा, तो खुल के इसको शेयर करिए अपने फैमिली मेंबर्स, अपनी फ्रेंड्स के साथ, अपनी स्कूल मेट्स, अपनी किटी पार्टीज फ्रेंड्स, अपनी तंबोला फ्रेंड्स के साथ, सो दैट वो भी इस सेशन को ज्वाइन कर सके और आप ही की तरह बेनिफिट उठा सके. थैंक यू सो मच ऑल ऑफ यू. बाय.